What if I told you you could make an extra $1,000 every month without quitting your job? No scams, no fake get-rich-quick tricks. These are 5 side hustles that are actually working right now. In the US and UK, and number 3 might surprise you. With rising rent, bills, and inflation, one income is no longer enough. That's why millions of people are turning to side hustles. But here's the problem. Most advice online doesn't work. So in this video, I'll show you real proven side hustles that people are using in 2026 to make money. Number 1, freelancing. If you have any skill, writing, editing, graphic design, or even voiceover, you can start freelancing today. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients worldwide. People in the US and UK are making $500 to $3,000 a month just by selling skills online. Start small. Even $5 gigs can grow fast. Number 2, reselling. This is one of the oldest but most powerful side hustles. Buy cheap items from thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance deals, then resell them online for profit. Platforms like eBay and Facebook Marketplace make it easy. Some people flip items like shoes, electronics, or furniture and turn $50 into $200+ profit. Number 3, AI content side hustle. This is exploding right now. People are using tools like ChatGPT to create YouTube scripts, blog posts, social media content. You can sell these services to small businesses. This side hustle is growing fast, and many beginners are already earning $1,000+ a month. Number 4, delivery and gig apps. If you want something simple, apps like Uber Eats and DoorDash let you earn by delivering food. Flexible hours, no boss. In busy cities, people make $15 to $25 an hour. Perfect for students or part-time workers. Number 5, digital products. This is where real passive income starts. Create something once, like ebooks, templates, online courses, then sell it again and again. Platforms like Etsy help beginners get started easily. Some creators make hundreds or even thousands per month, with almost zero daily effort. Here's the truth. There's no magic shortcut to getting rich. But these 5 side hustles, they're real. They work. And the best part? You can start today. So tell me, which side hustle would you try first? Comment below. And if you want more real ways to make money, don't forget to subscribe.